things we can do to help the birds around us. Take a look.
Build birdhouses that are safe for them to build their nests in.
Keep your furry friends away from your feathered friends.
Do not try to rescue baby birds. Their moms are teaching them to fly.
Provide them with fresh food and water. Replace the water and keep the above every few
If
days.
you find a bird that is hurt in a place, keep it on a box on a soft towel and take to your nearest vet, a doctor who treats animals.